My name is Mark Fudge and I'm the innovation responsible inside AST Modular, and today we are here to present our direct free cooling modular solution, which is embedded inside our data center cooling modular solutions. The system itself, key features of the system would be energy efficient. Obviously, the main source of cooling here is using direct air coming from the outside in order to cool down our servers. So that's a great feature of the system itself. Second great feature would be capital expenses wise. These units are really cost-effective solutions, and obviously the return of investment of this type of deployment is really good for cooling technologies today in today's data center market. Third but not least, I would point out the scalability of these modules. These modules are 50 kilowatts each, and they are totally scalable and plug and play, meaning that whenever the customer needs more load, the system can be upgraded with more load as the customer needs or provide the appropriate redundancy towards the system. So taking a deeper look at this module specifically, let's imagine we have a data center on that side and that we have external wall of our data center towards this side. What this unit would do is basically take external air through that system, and therefore that is a louver system, mechanical louver system, together with a filtering system in order to provide the adequate parameters of air towards our data center. We have a humidification stage on this area right here as well. And then this air will be coming down towards our coil in order to cool it down if necessary to the appropriate limits. In other words, if the air outside is cold enough, this unit will not be operating, and basically the fan will be pulling air towards our data center and towards our raised floor. Let's imagine in this case we have a raised floor and providing cold air towards our data center. Now, let's imagine we have a really cold temperatures. What we will be doing as well is capturing hot air from the room, from the data center, mixing that air and filtering that air appropriately, mixing that air from the cold environment, from the really cold environment on the outside, and the hot environment coming from the inside. We will be mixing that air and again providing the appropriate levels of temperature towards our plenum of our raised floor. Of our data center, obviously. And then the third stage of operation would be whenever we have high temperatures on the outside. We cannot cool down our servers anymore, so what the system does is basically shuts down the louvers. We are not using external air anymore. We will be capturing all the hot air provided by the whole corridors from our data center towards our coils, and then cool down the temperature and provide it again towards our raised floor. This is a chill water coil type of deployment. These units can be deployed as well with direct expansion, and therefore the top part of the unit would be used as well to provide condensers, compressors, and all the units necessary in order to provide those 50 kilowatts of power that the unit is capable to handle.